Hi, good evening. Welcome to Princess Gates channel and YouTube channel. So I'm here with Madam Gates and she has a gift for me because I celebrated my birthday yesterday. So Madam Gates is here and she has something for me.
I have something for
Hi,
you.
Madam Gates. Good evening. So what's up?
What's up? What's up? Well, today is a very busy day. But hello to everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So I need to meet my inaanak today because I miss him. The reason behind is just that he's like my he's like my son. Okay, in US.
Yes.
So
Hi, Nina.
hello. And you know what? I have something for you.
Yes, because it's my birthday yesterday.
It
So,
was your birthday yesterday.
so what is your gift?
You know, I have so much gift to you. This is your part 2 gift to me.
Wow.
Okay, so I think you're going to choose between
Okay.
the other one is for Dave.
Oh,
And the
Dave,
other
that's for
one
you. The other one is
for you.
yes. Oh, I'll choose this one. This is mine. I love it.
Diba, handsome, right?
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you
so
for this. Big fan of fun.
I'm the right track. And what else? Um,
What else, madam?
I got this in my faculty room. Okay, so I have
Wow.
collection there.
A collection again.
Yeah, so I need to go get this one. So there are two.
Okay.
One for you and one for Vicky.
Miss
She will be
Vicky.
celebrated her birthday on
When?
January 13. But we're going to go in the mountain
Okay.
tomorrow.
Wow. Tomorrow. You're going to
Yes.
celebrate.
So this is came from, of course, my favorite place. Aside from US, it's Japan.
Japan. Wow.
Japan.
It's
So,
from Japan.
yeah, this is Japan. This is original. Okay, so what else? So Japan, this is made in Korea. I got
Yes.
this in Korea. And what else? Philippines na. So this is made
Towel. Yeah.
Philippines.
What? From Philippines. Towel.
But you know what?
Yeah, I like that
This is
also.
so good.
Yeah, very useful. Especially mainit sa school.
So hot in the school. And what else? So many.
Grabe naman, ma'am. Ninang, ang dami mong gift, ha?
Food? I don't know if you have food. I have lots of foods here, but I don't know what. And I'm going to give it to you. Okay. So, I'm going to bring this in the mountain. Oh my God.
So you're going to mountain tomorrow.
Yeah. So I think this is for you. So what's in here is an apple. It's an apple.
Oh, lots of apple.
An apple.
Oh, you bring that one sa mountain. It's okay.
And of course, it's this one. No, I have something for Vicky and something for
Okay.
So these are all apple.
Wow, thank you for the apple.
Where I bought this one?
I'm going to make that salad.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so this for you.
Oh, thank you,
So
Nina.
many parents.
Wow. Diba? Ang dami kong gift kay
I need to
Nina.
get this one. Which
This one is mine.
he looks like Dave.
Yeah. You look like Dave. Okay, so thank you for the gifts, Ninang.
So
Thank you.
Peace of mind and peace in your place.
Okay.
And of course, good health.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so you can give best to your work, to your family, and to the others. And what else? Many trouble, not only in Philippines and Boracay, but also in
Yes.
Japan, in
Okay.
US, and trouble.
Thank you, Ninang, for the gift and for the birthday greeting.
What else?
So, thank you, Ninang. So, this is Madam's Gates YouTube channel. So, please follow and subscribe.
Mama.
Choo-choo. Bye-bye.
Yay.
Hi, welcome back again to Princess Gate channel. So, andito na po. Nag-treat po si Madam Gates. So, meron tayong spaghetti, french fries, burger, and chicken fillet. Ninang, thank you so much.
Ah, really?
Yeah, thank you for the treat. Ako, my birthday, tapos siya nag-treat. So, napaka-generous talaga ng ninang ko. So this is our food for this evening. So a simple celebration on my birthday.
And if
So
this is your final mark,
thank you. Yes.
this is P1 is.
Yes, thank you. So secret
Would you
ma.
like to open it?
Secret na lang. Unbox ko yan sa bahay. Yes. Okay, let's eat, Nina. Thank you. We're going to eat na. See you later. Bye.